Alright, I got another PVC train horn for you, and come up with a new design for the K5HLs, K5L, HL, and K5H mounts. Working on the P3 could work on the, the P5 could work on this too. You could turn it up like that, whatever, but had these brackets made from a friend of mine. He's a welder. Came up with a bracket. You can see here. 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. See there? Here's the back. You see the air manifold there. Pretty nice setup. Keeps it all confined. But I wanted to do a mount that was over top each other so I can make the K5HLs and stuff like that and come up with this. This is done in UP gray, and this is a older style K5HL, which is the older, the earlier style had more of a G tone to it than the F sharp. So this is tuned to a G. So we're going to see what it sounds like. And this is a replica of an early K5HL. So I'm going to set the camera up, back up a little bit, and blow this horn. Alright, put the camera back. It won't be too muffled. Alright, let's try it right here. See what we got. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's it.